Hi, my name is Hannah, 12 years old, grade 7, studying in Santa Rosa Science and Technology High School. And paglaki ko, gusto ko mag-doctor. Bago ko nakilala yung hari ng mga hari, feeling ko wala akong purpose sa buhay. Wala lang, pinanganak ka lang dito. Kasi, you're just alive, wala lang. Pero nung nakilala ko siya, I feel really amazing and feeling ko, kaya pala ako nabubuhay ay para purihin siya and I feel blessed dahil meron palang nagmamahal sa akin unconditionally at papatawarin ako sa mga kasalanan. The one sitting on the throne of my heart is Jesus Christ, the King of all kings. I'd like you to meet him. How about you? Who sits on yours?